What's up, everybody? Alright, so it's like 20 after 1 or something like that in the morning. Might as well work on the car, right? Alright, so I wanted to work on something, but I didn't want to like get all involved with a bunch of stuff. So I thought, what better time than to maybe scuff up these upper control arms a little bit with the wire brush, some brushes, and maybe work on getting a coat of primer on them. We shall see. Alright, so here's my grand assortment of tools. A couple wire brushes that I got from Harbor Freight in a pack. It was like $5. We'll use this to scuff everything up. Whatever, a wire welding brush that I use randomly, some carb cleaner, some brake clean, and a drill of your choice. So I'm going to start by taking the bolts out. They're just extra control arm bolts. These actually go through the rear end on the top on the 8.8. These are the lower control arms. It's a spring cup. These are sway bar attachments. We're not running sway bars, so won't use those. Knock some paint off here and clean them up a bit. We'll spray them with some carb cleaner to knock everything off really well. Maybe hang them up in the back here with some of that weed eater string and shoot a couple coats of primer on them. Alright, so I scuffed up this lower control arm with the wire wheel, knocked off any high spots. You can still see some crap on it, whatever. I'm about to cover it all up with primer. I got this super trick custom one-off upper control arm holder to use while I'm spray painting. How dope is that? Anyway, we're going to shoot it with a coat of primer real quick. I'll be back. Alright, got a coat of primer on in my fancy little paint booth. Couldn't fit all three of them on there, so painted one and got it out of the way first. And it's dangling on the doorknob here. That's right. I'm a freaking genius, right? Alright, well, this has got 2 coats on it. And this one's got roughly 2 coats on it. Well, these 3 have roughly 2 coats on them. So, I'll let this dry overnight. Even though this Rust-Oleum primer is quick dry, which I'll show you what I used here. Yep, fast drying, wet sandable, yada 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 yada. From Lowe's. No, it wasn't from Lowe's. It was from another place I found, and they were going out of business. So I got all these paints for $2 a piece. The primer, the paint, and the clear were all $2 a piece. Everything was $2. Just a sweet deal, I thought. I'll take it. Anyway, we'll give this a little while, and maybe we'll shoot some red on it. But it's getting late. I got to stay up because Shay's getting up at 2 to teach kids. So I'm the alarm clock tonight. So might as well just hang out, stay up, and maybe we'll shoot some red on. We'll see. Alright. Well, we got a little coat on them. That's 1 coat plus a light dusting of any spots I might have missed. First of all, they're not perfect. I don't want to hear it. They were super cheap. I'm not going to sit here and try to make some kind of masterpiece, Leonardo da Vinci grand painting of the end of the world. Nah. Okay, look, first of all, they're going under the car. So you're not even going to be able to see them that well. I just thought they looked a little crappy and they needed to look better. And for $6 worth of paint, you know, whatever. Now, this is no clear because the red is still extremely wet. It'll take a while for this red to dry. So, that's going to be it for the night. I'll put some clear on tomorrow, but just not right now. Tomorrow when I have some more time. We'll clear them over. 2 or 3 coats of clear. Be nice and hard surface clear. Then we'll shelf them for just a little bit till we get the rear end pulled out and cleaned up. Then we will shoot it with some primer and paint and get this thing buttoned together somewhat so we can get it rolling. We'll pull it outside with the truck and pressure wash the shit out of it. Engine's got to come back out too. I already said that in the last video. Anyway, we'll wrap it up. Alright everybody, so y'all know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Share. I'm only as big as you guys make me. I don't ask for anything except you guys to watch and learn. Learn like me. I'm learning as I'm going here. You can learn too. So, I'll link some vids up here. Maybe put some pictures up and show you what they looked like before I installed them. But there is also video, so I'll link that video up here. Anyway, back at it tomorrow, guys. See you then. Peace.